What up, everybody? It's 101boxbreaks.com. We're doing an eBay 5-boxer. Cooperstown baseball, a little different format for eBay, guys. I'm just going to read them off to you. You know who you bought. So we had Ooh Awesome Stuff. That's Jason A. Sked Corvettes on the chat. He picked up the Royals and Phillies. We got TJ Myers 7, Tom M.Y. swooping up some teams. The D-backs, Red Sox, Cubbies, White Sox, Indians, Angels, Dodgers, Brewers, Twins, Yankees, Padres, Giants, Cardinals, Blue Jays, and the Doug Harvey spot. SA Spur Fanatic, that's SA Spur Fanatic on the chat, James CO on the site. He swooped up the Braves, Orioles, Reds, Astros, Athletics, and the Pirates. And then we got Anthony Cali, come on, Rocket Collectibles with the Nationals. So you'll also get the Montreal cards as well. And then we got Brought to You 310, that's James P.A. swooping up them Rangers. Teacher HST, welcome to the side, Alan, with the Mets. And then Dalry, Dallas R with the Tigers. So good luck to you guys. Got a whole bunch of fun stuff going on. Boom, diggity, boom. It's 101boxbreaks.com. Heavy D in the house. This Cooperstown stuff is nice. All I can say, guys, because I'm right over the microphone. I'm very vocal and verbal and just boom. Volume down a little. It won't be hard to hear me. I promise. We've got 5 boxes of Cooperstown. If you're from the site, you know this is the second 5 boxes out of a fresh case. Got a 15-box case here opened. This is the second 5. We did a 5-boxer on the site. Some pretty nice hits out of it. I think we pulled a sapphire and a couple plates. No cut or anything like that out of it yet. So we go ahead and stack all these packs out here for you guys. Hopefully it doesn't lose too much of your attention. Hope you enjoyed the pre-game music also. We're always rocking here on 101boxbreaks.com. Thank you guys so much for tuning in tonight. Like I said, it's an early start time. We usually go live at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Went live a little early tonight for eBay, and so I could enjoy my Friday night with the fam. There's like a bridal thing going on this weekend, and the wife's going to be gone Saturday and Sunday, so get in a little bit of family time. Little R&R, if you know what I mean. Got a whole bunch of fun stuff going on right now. We got a Wonka lined up for this weekend. We got to get that certified football going, though. Got certified football 12-box case break on the side right now. Also, too, there's some Topps Chrome jumbo breaks with really cool promos and giveaways, guys. Could win some VIP party stuff. Plus, Heavy D's always slipping a little something extra in the mail day. So don't forget to check us out after the break. All right, here's number 4. We got one more, guys. And then we get cracking. Get crack-a-lackin' up in this. Let's do it. Still looking for that Babe Ruth cut, but I guess everybody is, so. All right, and there's box 5, guys. All right, so we got pack 1 here. Come on, let's do it, guys. It's 101boxbreaks.com doing some Cooperstown baseball. This stuff has been insanely good to us. Let's see if we can keep it going. What? That's what I love about it. Right off the bat, the lights are on. If you're new to the site, that means that there's a 1 of 1 in our midst. Oh, that's an insanely hot. Oh, really? Ooh, somebody got something nice. Okay, here we go. 4 out of 35, George Kelly. That'll be going to New York, them Yanks. And then, or actually, George Kelly might be the New York Giants. I'll check it out. I always look before I ship. And then Minnetonka with Bert Blyleven. 29 out of 35. Yeah, that's right, Tom. You pulled a Lou Brock cut auto, huh? It was Lou Brock, which is just hot nastiness. Up next, Cal Ripken, Baltimore. Cal Ripken, come on. And then Bill Dickey, Cooperstown Armed Forces. Bill Dickey. I love the enthusiasm in that, too. Cal Ripken, Cooperstown induction, Cal Ripken. I can't wait to get to the end of this pack right now. All right, and then we've got Eddie Murray, etched in Cooperstown, the E-Dog for Baltimore. Are they switching it up on me? All right. We've got Joe Morgan. Nice die cut, Joe Morgan, for you right there. Cincinnati. Tom, no pressure, but we're waiting on those picks, brother. And then we've got Juan Marshall. That's going to be 19 out of 75 for San Francisco and them Giants. There you go. Up next, Tony Perez. That's 4 out of 25. Cooperstown induction, Tay 4 out of 25. That should be Cincinnati. It is. And if this isn't like the coolest plate I've ever seen, check out this plate, guys. Look at that old school mask and glove. Wow. Gotta dig this stuff, guys. Roger Bresnahan, black plate, 1 of 1. That's from 2014 Panini Classic Baseball. It's pretty nasty right there, New York. All right, the flip. Oh. Wow. Pat Gillick, 16 out of 49, Pat Gillick. Oh, man. It's my first time seeing one of these come up. This is Toronto. Let me get some plastic. Let me see who's got them. All right. Are you ready for some just nastiness right now? Oh, man. Pack number 1. That's why I love this stuff. Actually, the reason I put this eBay break up was because I was having a hard time moving this stuff on my site, and I don't know why. It is nasty, and so is this card right here. Oh, the Elite Dominator, Ryan Sandberg. It don't get any prettier than that. The Cubbies, Tom and TJ Myers, 4 out of 5. Oh. That is nasty right there. Congratulations, Tom, on that boom nastiness. Come on. It's 101boxbreaks.com. Kapow! Look at that. Insanely hot card right there, guys. Woo! All right, box 1 in the books, right? Oh, man. There you go, Tom. That's pretty nasty right there. And we're on pack 2. Gotta love it. I mean, you kind of have to, right? Okay. Up first, we've got Lou Brock. 13 out of 25, Lou Brock for St. Louis. There you go. Nice Lou Brock. And then the Yaz. Put them lights back on. Carl Yastrzemski for Boston. 29 out of 35. All right, we need more plastic, but it's of a different size, so give me a second here. How about Al Simmons, 1/1 for Philadelphia? That's awesome stuff. Jason A.M. Sked Corvettes scoring the 1/1 Al Simmons from Cooperstown Baseball on 101boxbreaks.com. Boom! So 2 1/1s out of 2 packs already, guys. Plus the Sandberg to 5. There you go. Jason A.M. from the site. Get you on the board, buddy. Little 1/1 action for you right there. Reason to get them lights on, right? Awesomeness through 2 packs, guys. All right, and this is the Yaz. We already went through the Yaz. So up next we've got Tommy Lasorda. That'll be going to LA. TJ Meyer 7. And then we got, taking my time with this stuff, guys, Jackie Robinson Armed Forces card. Got some newbies to the site, and I'm loving it. How about Dennis Eckersley? A Cooperstown induction for you right there, class of 2004. Up next, we've got Nolan Ryan etched in Cooperstown, and that's a refractor, guys. 22 out of 25 for Texas. There you go, Big Tex. Sorry, get a little excited. There's another rack right there. That's a purple die cut. Dennis Eckersley. 40 out of 50 for Oakland and the Mays. And then Brooks Robinson, die cut refractor to 75, 29 out of 75 for Baltimore. How about the lip? 11 out of 25, Leo DeRocher. Names of the game, his name's the lip. That's going to Brooklyn and them Dodgers. Up next we've got Fergie, little Fergie Jenkins, on card Cooperstown out of there. Class of 91. That'll be going to G-Town. There you go, Chicago. Come on. Last but not least, we've got a redemption, and it's for Monty Irvin. That's a Hall of Fame signatures. Blue parallel should be to 25 or less. And that'll be going to San Francisco. That goes to the Giants, guys. So box number 2, not disappointing at all. Throwing another 101 out there. If you're just tuning in, out of box 1, we hit this Ryan Sandberg to 5. Elite Dominator nastiness. I thought it was going to be a 101 for sure. We also hit the Al Simmons 101 as well. And we're on pack or box number 3, depending on how you look at it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. It's Heavy D, the Boom Factory. 101boxbreaks.com. Trying to get nasty with it here. Let's see what we can do. All right, we got Ready, Set, and Iced. That's 2 out of 35, Brett. That's going to St. Louis. There you go, St. Louis. Don't go nowhere, St. Louis. Bruce Sutter, 25 out of 25, keeping that eBay 101 streak rocking. Very nasty. And then Jim Rice. Non-numbered version there for Boston. Larry Doby. Armed Forces card. Larry Doby for Cleveland. And them Indians. There you go. Then we got Tony Sosa. Cooperstown induction class of 2014. Non-numbered. St. Louis does some work in this product, guys. Not yet, any dust. Not yet, sir. Duke Snyder, Jackie Robinson, etched in Cooperstown for Brooklyn, the Dodgers. Non-numbered version. And then we got Craig Biggio. 5 out of 5, Craig Biggio, green border, come on. Boom. Recently inducted Craig Biggio. How about a little Monty Irvin? And that's a blue die cut, should be to 25. Yep, 11 out of 25. That'll be going to New York Giants, so San Francisco will be pulling this bad boy in. Class of 73, guys. Up next, bam! Yes, Jim Rice dual Ruby card by way of Boston. Then Bo Sox coming at you with a little Ruby action. 6 out of 15. There you go. This Ruby is guaranteed by Panini America. Nice Ruby pull right there. All right, we've got Wahoo Sam Crawford. Names of the game. That'll be going to Detroit. Elected in 1957, guys. To the autos. First up, Jim Rice. On card, Cooperstown, Jim Rice, 2009 class, non-numbered version. And the last auto out of pack number 3, the Goose. Goose Gossage on Carter, 2008 class, non-numbered for New York. All right, so that's 3 boxes in. You guys wanted to take pictures here. Here's Al Simmons. Let's get some good focus on it, though. Just hit print screen, and you're good to go. And let's show off this bad boy. Nice Ryan Sandberg Elite Dominator right there. I'll be sure to post some pictures of that right after the break, guys. That's a hot one right there. We're on number 4. Number 4 coming at you from the Boom Factory. Let's do this, guys. Where you at, Babe Ruth? Where you been my whole life? We're looking for you. Gotta love this stuff, guys. Just saying. They just love loading it with plates and 101s and all that fun goodiness. We got Luke Appling. That'll be going to Cheetown and them White Sox. 21 out of 35. And then Greg Maddox, 12 out of 35 for Chicago and them Cubbies. So both Cheetowns hitting right there. Up next, we got Tom Glavine for Hotlanta. Non-numbered version. And then Whitey Ford. Beautiful Whitey Ford Cooperstown card from New York. Hey, Tom Glavine again, but this is the silver Cooperstown induction card, class of 2014. Going right back to Hotlanta. How about a little gold? Frankie Frisch. St. Louis, etched in Cooperstown gold, Frankie Frisch. Seven out of 10. Boom. Little mini boom for you right there. That's 7 out of 10 Frisch for St. Louis. To the Die-Cats. First up, Ricky Henderson. That's a purple border, Ricky Henderson. 14 out of 50 for Oakland. Not LA on these Die-Cuts. I think it's like Elite Baseball or something where he's got a relic card where it goes to the Los Angeles Dodgers. All right, and then we got Red Showing Ice, and that's a die-cut refractor. 21 out of 75 for St. Louis. St. Louis, like I said, a hot team to have in this product. And then here's your plate. Cooperstown plate. Doug Harvey 101. Boom! The Doug Harvey spot, I believe, was TJ Myers. So there you go, Tom. Doug Harvey coming through in the clutch a lot in this product. That's why I made a Doug Harvey spot, because every 5-box mixer I've done, there's been Doug Harvey cards. Up next, we've got the Dominican Dandy, Juan Marshall. Oh, it's non-numbered. Cooperstown card there. San Fran. All right. Be gentle with these. Up first, we've got Jim Rice. Nice on-card. Cooperstown induction, Jim Rice. Class of 2009 for Boston. There you go. And last auto out of box number 4, Raleigh Fingers and the stash. Class of 92, Raleigh Fingers. Milwaukee and them Brewers. All right, guys, we've got one pack left. We're already pulling heat out of this. We're talking 3 101s, the Sandberg, 4 out of 5, nasty Elite Dominator card. I honestly want to say that's like a buyback or something. I don't know. It's got Don Russ written all over it. There's a stamp on it. Let's see what the stamp says. Yeah, the Recollection collection. So they must have like bought it back, had him sign it, and stamped it or something. I don't know. Card's in absolutely perfect shape too. Probably a gem. All right, number 5, last one. Here we go, guys. Thanks for tuning in. And thanks for following 101-BB on eBay. Really do appreciate it, everybody. Let's see if we can end with a little more nastiness. Here we go. John Schmaltz, 23 out of 25. John Schmaltz for Hotlanta. All right, and then we got Lou Brock. 7 out of 10, Lou Brock. Yeah, sorry if you guys are having some problems. I don't know. Everything looks fine on my end. I'm not saying nothing. I just mean, refresh it. Try and take your time with it. Be patient with me. I'll post the videos afterwards too, guys, okay? Then we got Fergie Jenkins for Chicago. Non-numbered Fergalicious. Gaylord Perry for New York. Non-numbered version as well. Bobby Doer. Armed Forces card. Non-numbered for Boston. And then we got Bruce Sutter. Class of 2006. Bruce Sutter. Hot Lana on the Bruce Sutter. Etched in Cooperstown. Frankie Frisch for St. Louis. Non-numbered. Non-refractor version there. And then Juan Marshall. That's a non-numbered, non-refractor for San Francisco, but nice die cut there. And then they throw a little Jackie Robinson at us. Looks like his Golf Classic picture on that one, too. Which is cool. 24 out of 75 for Brooklyn, the Dodgers. TJ Myers. And then Frank Chance. Dead Ball Era All-Stars for Chicago. Nice Frank Chance there. Once again, non-numbered. Oof. Wow. Bruce Sutter. On-card Bruce Sutter nastiness. Class of 2006. Bruce Sutter auto. Man, this is actually a pretty nice case, guys. We've got one card left in the break. And it's a doozy. Bert Blyleven, Diamond Kings, Minnetonka. Beautiful, beautiful card to end it right there. You know what's weird is we've done like 3 or 4 cases of this now. That's my first time seeing these buybacks. 12 out of 25. The Flying Dutchman. Nice Bert Blyleven right there. Very, very nice. Minnesota was, I'm looking, guys, I'm looking. The Twins, TJ Myers on fire. Absolutely on fire in this eBay break. Then again, you had 14 teams or so. But here, Tom, you want a screenshot. Here's one to take. Some buyback nastiness from Cooperstown Baseball right there, guys. Some beautiful stuff. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you to my eBay customers. Make sure to give me a follow over there. Check out our website, 101boxbreaks.com. You can buy direct. Avoid all the fees, shipping hassle. I do free shipping, all that stuff, guys. I'm going to go ahead and save this video, and I'll be right back with you. Thanks for hanging in there. It's Heavy D in the Boom Factory, 101boxbreaks.com.